This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jillian Didier. Available Fall 2021. Located in University Heights, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, split floor plan home is just a short walk or ride to UF campus, Midtown, and is convenient to shopping, dining, entertainment, and nightlife. The home features beautiful upgrades with tile flooring throughout, central air conditioner, spacious bedrooms and bathrooms, large closets and plenty of extra storage, a fully equipped kitchen with a breakfast bar, coffee bar, and walk-in pantry, a separate dining room, a utility room with full-size washer/dryer included, and a beautiful, big, fenced backyard. The driveway offers plenty of off-street parking. Rent includes yard care. Sorry, no pets. This property won't last long. Schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below.